Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media. I am going to show you how to take these and turn them into these. Okay, so the first thing I did is I feel like this is something to help me. It was just something right here. A knife or something else will work. But the coating on here is like a rubberized coating. And what you can do is you can just scrape that off. So you can start with like a blade. And then I went to some gritty sandpaper to get the rest off. So there's this gray primer. And then there is the black color underneath. And I went ahead and just sanded the first one just to get a feel for it. But that's what it's going to kind of look like. The silver is a little bit shiny, you can see on the edge here, like that. But all this dark stuff, this is the paint underneath. I'm going to be wrapping this, not painting this. You can paint at this point, but you could also wrap it if you have extra wrap laying around. So that's what I'm going to be experimenting with on this. But yeah, first things first, get all this off. Okay, so now on to the next step, which is going to be wrapping this or painting it. So you can paint this. I'm going to be wrapping it. I wrapped the other one, came out pretty good. I did that one as a test before I showed you guys this one on camera. But pretty much I'm down. There's this primer, and then the other color is below. So I'm just going to go ahead, wrap this with the extra wrap I have, the vinyl wrap I have for my car. I have some extra, so I'm going to be using it on here. So let's jump into that right now. So I just finished this up. I don't know if the time lapse is going to work because it like recorded over 2 SD cards. But anyways, these are now done. I will get a better look at them in a second, but they're all set. If you have vinyl, Heatworks and a credit card and a blade of some kind will help you with the job. I am not a professional when it comes to wrap, but compared to what they looked like before, I'm happy. So I'll show you some more video of these right now.